Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to separate audio from video in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's start. For example, you have some video in your project. You can already separate the video from the audio at the stage of adding the video to the timeline. Double click on the video and on the source panel we see two icons. Drag video only or drag audio only. And we drag the part of the video that you definitely need. In other case, when the video is already on the timeline, as you can see, the audio and video are connected and they cannot be deleted separately from each other. To separate them, right-click on the video and select Unlink, and the video and audio are separated. After that, we can delete, cut and change both the audio track and the video track separately. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.